哇，咱生的真的这个品种真的特别好。
So this is the end of the visit to the park. In general, I think it's a pleasant experience, except the animal cruelty, which is omnipresent. So, I think in the future we shouldn't support this kind of business because animals are trapped and imprisoned. And every time I see that, I feel imprisoned. Oh, there's a peacock. Let's take a look. It's a peacock. Yeah, it's a female peacock. Because the male has beautiful feathers, but the female has the male has long tail and beautiful feathers, but female has short tail. There's still show going on right there. All right, let's take the exit. So see all the peacocks. D, let's take a look. 他说来了吗？来了。到了吗？来了。You see all the peacocks imprisoned.
Imprisoned, just like human in a building, in a house.
It's crazy, eh?
All of us.
So you see the peacocks, the long tail filled with feathers, beautiful feathers. Those are male. Well, I think there's only males, right? In this cage, there's no female. The one that we just saw outside the cage, that was a female.
Turn to gay.
Yeah, all these peacocks. Bro, in my afterlife, I don't want to turn into a peacock like this. Deprived of freedom. All these peacocks. I love the foliage. All the biodiversity in plants. It's amazing. Any final words for YouTube? Anything you're gonna say for YouTube?
Nothing.
Alright, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, she said she's hungry. Alright, we're gonna go home and take a supper with our friends. See y'all next time.